Hey guys, my name's James. I'm one of the directors here at the AC store. Thanks for choosing us for your air conditioner install. Welcome aboard. A few key notes to consider. Have a decision maker on site in the morning just to confirm location for the outdoor unit, location for the return air, for the wall controller and the actual grills that go on the ceiling. The driveway clear so we can get to your manhole, which is typically located in most people's garages. If you've got furry friends, great to have them tied up and out of the way. On the day of the installation, we will have to isolate the mains power while we're in the rooftop. That is a legislative requirement these days. Pending Brisbane traffic, we usually arrive around the sort of 7 to 7:30 mark. It usually takes a full day. By 3 to 4 in the afternoon, you'll be up and running. Our guys are pretty good. They'll put drop sheets down. We use a special tool when we cut the ceiling out, which typically catches most of the dust, and they will clean up after themselves as well.